I reached monetization few days ago, and you can see that I have a 7,000 watch hour. So I started my application. So you can see it. Apply now. I click on it. You can see the 3 steps. I started. I have to review the base times. You can see scrolling down, you must read all this. Then I marked on, I accept the base time. I marked it, then accept. Then wait for it. So see it, review base terms. You have been accepted into the YouTube partner program terms. Then second one, sign off for AdSense for YouTube. Yes, sign off for AdSense for YouTube. That is where YouTube will pay you your money. So I click on start. So you can see, do you have existing AdSense account? AdSense for YouTube partner? Yes, I have. The other one. So I click on yes, I have, because I have created AdSense account before. Then I click on next. If you never created AdSense account, then you click on no, I need to create one, or you don't know. Then click on next. Yes, it will take you to the internet. Yes, where you have to sign in your email account. You can see I've signed in my email account. Then click on next. Wait for it. Then it will take you to welcome to your email. You have to put your password. So I verified my password, face verification. Now you have sent me the 2-step authentication. I have to confirm whether it is me. Yes, I have to go to the email, open it, wait for it to come up, wait for it. I open the email to make sure they know it is me. Say, yes, it is me. Click on it. You still have to go back again. Once you go back again, it will automatically open where you have to put your personal information. I mean your contacts and your physical address. I added my contact and click save. Then it take me to where I have to put my physical address. You can see where I have to put it. I have to put my physical address here. The place I was staying before is no longer the place I stay, so I have to change my physical address to my present address. Yes, I added my physical address. Yes, click save. Wait for it. Now it take you to another phase, that is your AdSense account. Yes, this is the AdSense account. You check everything, then click on continue. Click on continue if it is what you added that is showing. Yes, you can see it. So I click on next. That is your channel. It take you to this place where you have to accept AdSense terms and conditions. So you have to read it. Then you mark the box saying I have read and accept the agreement. Then click on set up account. Have you seen it now? Set up account. You wait for it. Customer information loading. Then when you have checked everything, you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you click on redirect to YouTube. It will take you back to where you started in your YouTube studio. Yes, this is where it is now. This where it will show you in progress. Once this particular second step is done, the next step will start automatically. You don't have to click on anything. Have you seen it now? It is in progress. Once it is done, they will start the step 3 automatically. You don't have to click anything on that particular step 3. Have you seen it? Of course, they accepted me after few hurdles, after few issues, which I will talk in my next video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.